Did it get colder this year? Inside my room I see crystals of ice, suspended pieces covered in glass. Snowbanks are falling on the sides of my bed, the sides of my bed. But it doesn't snow here in Los Angeles. Abandoned roads, but they're warm. I'm just losing it. Everyone's come back to sweet places they call their home. But I wonder aimlessly, can't shake this chill from my bones. When my home was you, always alone in this snow I can't move. I feel that yearning to leave and belong somewhere new.